What streams to choose? What competitive exams to plan for? What are different new age careers? What careers associate to which streams? Are these questions running in your mind? And if yes, I, Surbi Devra, welcome all of you to our 2 days live workshop where we'll be discussing about all of these questions of yours. If you are a parent of 10th standard student or you are a 10th standard student, I invite all of you to these 2 days workshop where we will discuss along with Career Guide's expert career counselor and will help your child make a personalized career plan. So why not? Let's interact. Let's build a very structured, informed career planning for your child. And I welcome all of you and look forward to see you in these 2 days of live workshop.